For today's nail art, we are going to be doing some camouflage nails for Veterans Day. I'm starting off with my nails painted Evergreen from Insta Glam, and my accent nail is Raisin the Roof from Sinful colors. And I'm just adding a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area to make the cleanup faster and easier. For my accent nail, I'm going to use white stamping polish and this flag and eagle image from What's Up Nails, stamping plate B043. Before I stamp that onto my nail, I am going to add some blue behind the stars, and I'm also going to add some blue in back of the eagle's eye. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'll move on to the camo nail using stamping polish Taupe from Mundo, and my stamping plate is Nicole Diary 076. Using that same plate, I'm going to add a layer of dark brown. I wanted my brown layer a little darker, so I'm going to first go over that image with black, and then before I pick it up, I'm going to go over it again with Mundo chocolate. Now going back to our eagle, I'm going to add some dry brushing to the back of this. Dry brushing is when you remove most of the polish from the brush before you use it, because you don't want that image wet, you just want it tacky enough so it sticks to the nail. Before removing the liquid latex, I'm going to go around my nail with the cuticle stick just to make sure that when I remove that latex, it doesn't pull up any of the polish. Now finish with your favorite top coat. And here's our completed design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.